So this is the next question. Observe the question and try to solve this question. This is slightly a tricky question, but it is easy but slightly tricky. You can pause the video and try to solve the question. It will be interesting. So let's approach the question. In this question, a semicircle of radius 1 unit it is given. This is a semicircle. This is a radius which is given as 1 unit. And we have to show that tan theta by 2 is equal to sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, this is the question. So let's approach the question. Firstly, let's give the name to the various point as P, Q, R and O. O is the center of the circle. Here the trigonometric ratios that are coming into the picture are sin theta, cos theta and tan theta by 2. Do not worry about theta by 2. It is just the denotion of angle, half of the angle theta by 2. Nothing special. Basically here we have to find the value of sin theta, we have to find the value of cos theta and we have to find the value of tan theta by 2. Then we have to equate left hand side with the right hand side. So let's see how we can find the value of these trigonometric ratios. Let's denote RP as A and PO as B. Just for the simplicity we have done this. As we will apply the trigonometric ratio formula, it will be really helpful. Further, here this angle is given as angle theta and this is 90 degree. It means it is an right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means we can apply the trigonometric ratios formula. Here the side RO is the radius of the circle which is given as 1 unit. RO is the radius which is given as 1 unit. Further, here RP is the perpendicular for this triangle which is the side opposite to trigonometric angle, and PO is the base of the triangle as it is the side between the trigonometric angle and 90 degree angle, and RO is the hypotenuse of this triangle which is given as 1 unit. You can check out the complete PDF of the formula and the concept list in the description, and also link to the complete series on the trigonometry. It will be really helpful. So let's proceed. Let's find sin theta and cos theta as demanded in the question. What is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is A and hypotenuse is 1. We got the value of sin theta as A. Okay. Further, let's find the value of cos theta. Cos theta, it is base upon hypotenuse. And base it is given as B. Hypotenuse is given as 1. We got cos theta as B. We got the value of sin theta as A, we got the value of cos theta as B. Let's put it into the right hand side of the equation. Right hand side we got as A upon 1 plus B. So we got the right hand side. Let's work on the left hand side. Somehow the left hand side tan theta by 2 we have to prove it as equal to A upon 1 plus B. Let's see how we will do this. Firstly we have to find the angle theta by 2. In the figure, where is this angle theta by 2? One angle it is given as theta, one angle it is given as 90 degree. But theta by 2 it is not given in the figure. Can we do some arrangement, some construction, some work so that we can get the angle theta by 2? This is a trick. You have to identify or do some construction work in which you will get the angle as theta by 2. Once you got the angle as theta by 2, we can simply apply the trigonometric ratio formula of tan theta by 2 around that angle and we will get the answer. Let's see. Firstly, let's identify the angle theta by 2. For that, let's join RQ. Are we able to observe this triangle, the triangle ROQ? This is a triangle, but this is not a right angle triangle. Okay. Here this angle is given as theta. So for this triangle ROQ, can we say this angle is an exterior angle? And we know the property of a triangle, the exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angle of the triangle. So angle theta will be equal to sum of these two angles. For simplicity, let's mark these two angles as angle 1 and 2. So we can say angle theta is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Got it? The exterior angle property of the triangle. I have told you some of the properties of the triangle you must know to solve the various different type of questions. Further, here can we say angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal to each other? Think why these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal because the side OR and OQ are equal to each other. These two sides are the radius of the circle. These two sides are equal, so the angle opposite to equal sides in a triangle are also equal. These two sides are equal, so these two angles are the opposite to these two equal sides. So these two angles will also be equal to each other. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And just now we have proved angle theta is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Let's replace angle 2 with angle 1. Angle theta is equal to twice of angle 1. So we got angle 1 is equal to theta by 2. Angle 1 we got at theta by 2, and angle 1 and angle 2 both are equal to each other. So both will be equal to theta by 2. Interesting, we got our angle theta by 2 that we are looking for. Tan theta by 2 on the left hand side that we have to find. Okay. So all this exercise, all this construction we have done just to get the angle theta by 2. This is interesting, totally a different type of question. So let's apply the trigonometric ratio formula to get tan theta by 2. But in which triangle we will apply tan theta by 2? This triangle is not a right angle triangle, but this big triangle is a right angle triangle. The triangle RPQ. This triangle is a right angle triangle in which angle theta by 2 is a trigonometric angle. So for this triangle, RP is the perpendicular and PQ is the base of this triangle. What is RP? It is A. And what is PQ? It is 1 plus B. OQ it is given as 1 unit, and PO it is B. So PQ will be equal to 1 plus B. And what is the formula of tan? It is perpendicular upon base. Tan theta by 2 is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is RP upon PQ, which is A upon 1 plus B. Left hand side we got as equal to A upon 1 plus B, and right hand side we have already got as A upon 1 plus B. So we got left hand side as equal to right hand side. That is the answer. Tricky question, totally a different type of question, a unique type of question, but very interesting question. Got it? So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.